Okay, let's get into the video. So this hair is from wildafrican.com. I'm going to leave a link to it down below, so just go check it out. So this is like this platinum blonde color, and you know, at first I was like, okay, I can do this, you know, I can really rock this hair. But then I thought, I've been wanting to try this Teyana Taylor red, and this is perfect. It's a blank canvas, it's blonde, it's ready to go. I can just slap the color on. So that's what I did. If you want to wear it like this, you can, but I'm gonna be coloring it, so let's go. All right, so you start off with some gloves, and I have these latex gloves. I just put them on, and I have 3 bottles of the Cajun Spice Adore semi-permanent dye, and then I'm also using a conditioner as well. And I got a little mixing bowl along with a little spatula thing that you're gonna use to mix it. So you're gonna put 1 bottle of the Cajun Spice in your mixing bowl. Unless you have a bigger mixing bowl, then you can, you know, put more. And then I also wet the hair as well to make it easier to dye. And I'm also gonna use conditioner and put a little bit, you just eyeball this, put a little bit in there just to make sure the hair is nourished while it's also being dyed. So I mix it all in, and I'm just gonna go. And basically you're just gonna go from the bottom to the top, and you just keep, you know, using the spatula thing to, or brush, sorry, I don't know why I keep calling spatula. You're gonna use that to just, you know, put it all on the hair. And yeah, you're just gonna do that throughout the entire hair. You're gonna make sure you turn the hair around and, you know, get into all the little nooks and cranny. I actually ended up missing a spot in the end, but you know, it's all good. So this is gonna be really, really messy. Just make sure you have aluminum foil under the hair, and just, yeah, rub it all in. And I did that 3 times. I used the mixing bowl 3 times, and I was able to cover the whole head except from that spot that I missed. Okay, so you're just gonna wrap it into a little burrito type, you know, form, and I'm left it for about 2 hours. You can leave it for longer. I just was ready to go to sleep and it was late at night, but I think it pretty much did the trick. I think it says that you should leave it in for about, I think, 30 minutes, so 2 hours is enough time. So you're just gonna rinse it off under warm water, and you basically just want to make sure the water is clear, as clear as possible, and that's what I did. And then you're gonna grab a conditioner. I didn't use the Pantene one. I ended up using Hello Hydration, which I really love the way it smells, and I'm just gonna spray that. I love that it has a, you know, a little spout, and I just pretty much rub that all through the hair. And here it is. This is the wet version on my wig head, and I'm just gonna let it air dry. And once I air dried it, all I did was I straightened it, and then I wrapped it with my little bandana from Atara Avenue. And basically, I just love how smooth it is. The hair is really, really nice, and it was super easy to do. Super easy. It literally took the dye so well, and you can see it has like that orangey, coppery tone color that I've been rocking for a while now that I love so much. And yeah, so this is how it looks. And this is how it looks on me. I just basically threw it on. I didn't, you know, glue it on or anything, but I just wanted to show you how it looks on my skin tone. What do you guys think of this color on me? I really, really like it. I think, you know, I told you all on my Instagram that this is, you know, my color of the year, but no, I'm really, really feeling it, and I love the way the hair moves and feels. Like I said, that exact wig that I started off with is going to be in the description box, so you can dye it whatever color you want, or you can leave it platinum blonde. But for me, I love this color, and a lot of you have been asking me of how to achieve it, so I hope this was helpful to you. Alright, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!